Hey guys, this is Logitech Pro 2 Lightspeed RGB wireless optical gaming mouse. 8 programmable buttons, up to 44,000 dpi, RGB LED lighting, ambidextrous design, up to 95 hours battery, USB rechargeable life. The Pro Lightspeed was designed in collaboration with eSports Pro to help you dominate the leaderboard. The Light Force switch have a hybrid optical mechanical design, so you will get the best of both worlds. Instant optical action with tactile mechanical feedback. Hero 2 gaming sensor. You have the speed accuracy you need to outplay your opponents. Accuracy and precision. With Lightspeed wireless, you won't even notice you are not plugged in, except for the freedom with almost no friction. Set up the 8 programmable buttons to perform any action or macro to boost your gameplay. Compatible with Logic Power Play. Connectivity 2.4 GHz wireless. Tracking type is optical. Wireless range 10 meter. Compatible with Windows 10 and later. This is what we got here. We're going to check it out and see what is inside. Here we go. Power Play. This is very light, smooth. So this information pack. These are included in the packaging. So you have spare clips, spare 4 of those. The cable, these are what included in the packaging. Switch this on and off. You can see the light. This is what we have here. Very smooth with 8 programmable. This gadget deserves your attention. Highly recommended. Thank you.